Thinking about moving to Portugal? Big changes are coming in 2025, and if you're a U.S. citizen, you'll want to hear this before you book that one-way ticket. I'm Luciano Oliveira, U.S. attorney with Oliveira Lawyers, licensed in the States with offices in both the United States and Portugal. Our firm has helped hundreds of Americans relocate to Lisbon, Porto, and the Algarve, so if you appreciate clear, lawyer-vetted updates on living abroad, be sure to hit subscribe and tap the bell so you never miss a change. Let's start with what's changing and why. Portugal opened its doors wide in 2018 and quickly attracted about 1.5 million foreign residents, roughly 15% of the country's population. That diversity is fantastic, yet it clogged the immigration system with roughly 700,000 pending files and sent rent prices through the roof. Lisbon is now rewriting the rules to focus on pre-vetted applicants who bring skills or stable income. There are two headline shifts you need to know. First, the wait for citizenship may double from 5 to 10 years, although lawmakers admit the final number could land closer to 6 or 8 after political wrangling. Second, the popular in-country manifestação de interesse, where you arrived as a tourist and then filed for residency, is on the chopping block. Instead, companies will recruit highly qualified workers directly from abroad. A draft law is expected in July 2025. Parliamentary debate should follow in September, and the new framework could roll out in early 2026. Now, before you panic, several visa paths still work beautifully for Americans, and some even improve in 2025. First is the D7 visa, Portugal's classic passive income route. It's perfect for retirees or digital entrepreneurs who can show roughly €10,800 per year. You apply from the States, land in Portugal with residency in hand, and your citizenship clock starts right away. Second is the digital Nomad visa. Portugal officially labels the D8. Picture it as the D7's flashier cousin. You need income equal to about 4 times the Portuguese minimum wage, roughly €3,600 a month, and Portugal loves tech-savvy Americans who pay taxes and spend euros locally. Third, watch for the brand-new highly qualified worker visa. If you're a coder, nurse, or welder, any profession Portugal lists as high need, a company can sponsor you directly from the U.S., sparing you that tourist status limbo. Fourth, the Golden Visa Portugal program still stands. Real estate options have been trimmed, but strategic investment funds and cultural projects remain eligible. So if you'd rather invest than document monthly income, this road is still open. Quick links to each of those routes sit in the description below. Family reunification also gets a tweak. If you plan to bring college-age kids or dependent parents, the draft law says the main resident must live in Portugal for a full 2 years before filing for adult relatives. Children under 18 still get in right away, so start lining up leases, title deeds, and other housing documents now. Some people worry these reforms will turn Portugal into ICE Europe. Short answer, no. A new police unit called UNF will monitor overstays, but officials insist deportations remain rare and dignity is non-negotiable. Keep your residence card valid, file renewals early, and UNF should remain a name in the news, not a knock at your door. All right, action steps and key dates. If you are already near the 5-year mark for citizenship, gather your birth certificate, FBI record, and proof of residence now so you can file before January 2026. If you're choosing between the D7 visa and the digital Nomad route, budget your euros and pick the lifestyle that truly fits you. Job hunters should polish resumes and start networking with Portuguese employers this fall so they can be first in line once the highly qualified worker pathway opens. And everyone should bookmark portugal.gov.pt and ama.gov.pt for real-time updates on Portugal's citizenship changes. Portugal isn't closing the door. It's simply asking who's knocking. With the right preparation, Americans can still enjoy golden beaches, full Schengen access, and a milder tax bill. If you'd like personalized guidance, schedule a strategy call with me or one of our bilingual attorneys at Oliveira Lawyers. The link is right below this video. If you found this helpful, tap like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you next time.